Okay, everyone, it's been a long time since I've made a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, but it's not too hard. If you have all the ingredients, you can do it. So, first you take the peanuts and you smash them. Smash them. Well, it's already smashed. It's already made. There we go. There's our peanut butter. It's pretty runny, so let's just put some peanut butter on our bread. And then, ooh, that looks very crunchy. Ooh, this peanut butter is pretty good. And now we're going to spread it. You spread it, spread it, spread it, spread it, spread it. Just like in the song. You spread it, peanut butter, jelly. Peanut butter, jelly. Now, yeah, don't eat it yet. Okay, now we're going to take the jam and we're going to put the jam on the bread, and then we're going to spread it. Spread it, spread it, spread it, spread it, spread it. Oh, look at those blueberries. This is the good jam. This is not the 100 yen jam. This is some good jam. This is good stuff. Who wants to try my sandwich? Say, I do. Okay, so we got our peanut butter. Now, I don't know what to do with this. There we go. Okay, and now, if you like, you could take a donut and put it right there. Might be good, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to put something healthy in my peanut butter and jam sandwich. What is it? Strawberry? Watermelon? Cucumber? No, Benji. It's a banana. Okay, let's put some banana slices on our sandwich. Okay, just like that. Now we have, this peanut butter doesn't have any sugar in it. It's got a little bit of honey. So it's just peanuts and honey. It's pretty healthy. Everybody say healthy. Healthy and delicious. That's important. And this jam is not the junk food jam. It's the good stuff. So it's actually a healthy sandwich here. Ooh, look at that. I almost got a whole banana on my sandwich. Good job, Benji. And now we're going to put the bread together, right? Put the bread together just like this. Ta-da! Mash it a little bit, okay? I like my peanut butter and jelly sandwiches toasted. So there's two ways. You could toast the bread first and then put it on, but then you're kind of in a rush to finish it. So I'm going to put this in the microwave and toast it, and then when I eat my peanut butter and jam, my peanut butter and jelly sandwich, I'm going to have it with some milk. I'm going to cut it in half. I'm going to cut it so I have two rectangles. I'll show you in just a minute, okay? I'll be right back. All right, I got my sandwich and it's toasty. Now I'm going to cut my sandwich. You can cut it like this, so you have two triangles, or you can cut it in half like this, which I'm going to do. So I have two, let's see, I have two, ta-da. Ooh, how's it look? Does it look yummy? Look, there's two rectangles. And now, the American way, if you like, take your milk, and to change glasses, and you dunk it. You dunk it. Let's get this music. Peanut butter
and jelly. Now you take the sandwich and you eat it.
You eat it.
You eat it, eat it, eat it.
The cup is not big enough. All right, take a bite. Pretty good. Want some? You gotta make your own. And now you know how to do it. Got a donut too. You say more fire.